Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM active and the correct APN settings. This ensures packets can route when you toggle settings. Once done, pick the SIM slot you will use for mobile data and set it as primary in SIM settings, because dual SIM phones default differently. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are off so the phone prefers cellular. These steps prevent routing conflicts and save time when you switch flight mode on and off to test connectivity. With prerequisites set, turn on flight mode to cut all radio transmissions. This gives you a clean slate. Next, manually re-enable mobile data in settings. Do not rely on automatic toggles, so the phone brings up the cellular link while other radios remain off. If you have two SIMs, go into SIM management and enable data only for the chosen SIM to avoid conflicts. This sequence creates a cellular-only path that conserves battery and isolates variables for testing signal and data speeds. Finish by verifying you actually have an internet connection. Open a lightweight web page or run a speed test app to confirm packets flow. If you don't see connectivity, check APN settings, confirm signal bars, and ensure the SIM isn't locked or restricted by carrier. As a quick fix, toggle flight mode off then back on or fully reboot the phone. This forces a fresh registration with the cell tower. If problems persist, contact your carrier. They can reset provisioning or confirm network support for this configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.